Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Porsche Macan. Before you even start the engine, take a moment to get acquainted with the interior. Adjust your seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to ensure a comfortable and safe driving position. Locate the main controls, like the lights, wipers, and infotainment system. Understanding these basics will make your initial drive much smoother and more enjoyable. Once you're comfortable, it's time to start. With your foot on the brake, press the start button. The Macan's engine will purr to life. To move, simply select drive or reverse using the gear selector. Remember to apply gentle pressure to the accelerator for smooth takeoffs and use progressive braking to come to a stop. This ensures a refined and controlled driving experience. The Macan offers more than just automatic driving. For a more engaging experience, use the paddle shifters to manually change gears, giving you greater control over acceleration and engine braking. Don't hesitate to explore the Sport and Sport Plus modes. They sharpen throttle response and suspension settings for a truly dynamic drive. The advanced all-wheel drive system provides excellent traction in diverse conditions. Parking a Macan is made easy with its advanced sensors and rearview camera. Trust these aids for precise maneuvers. To keep your Porsche running perfectly, adhere to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. Regular maintenance ensures longevity and peak performance. Also, for those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.